there's a strong tornado on the ground. You can see it. And we're gonna try to catch up to it. And I'll have to use the charger. It spawns. Yep, there we go. Yeah, let's go. Yoo-hoo! We're gonna get close. We're gonna catch up to it. We're gonna intercept it, but not with the charger. We're using the charger to catch up to it. And drop this thing down to point. You get more money. We're scared. Yeah, actually scared. Lay them out. Blue spikes. Why? I was reading chat and 1 second later I freaking died. No. I got 12 bucks. I'm rich. Oh, you're rich. Oh my god, you're richer than me. It's wedging out. Now, since we catched up to it, we're gonna use our Forster. Why? Jump scared by the... Close that door. Unpark. Come on. Come on. I don't think it's more. I think it's more than a severe thunderstorm. But I don't know. I don't know. It could be right. Oh my. Yeah, we're gonna get close. No, I don't smash into anything. I don't see it. It's rainwrapped. Please tell me it's still on the ground. Yep, it's still on the... No, it's not. Ah! The game never missed tornado. Tornado tracks. Oh my... Day 5. Can't even track that far. Dude, get this text out of my face. It was at its widest, at its